In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to run an inventory valuation report in QuickBooks. Whether you're managing a small business or a larger organization, understanding your inventory's worth is crucial. QuickBooks makes this process straightforward and accessible, allowing you to generate detailed reports to aid in your financial decision-making. Let's begin by navigating to a key component of QuickBooks where all reports are housed. On your QuickBooks dashboard, you'll notice a panel on the left-hand side of your screen. This is where you'll find a multitude of resources to streamline your business processes. Locate and click on the Reports option in this left panel. This section is essentially the hub for all your reporting needs, offering both customization and standard options for your financial assessments. Once you've clicked into Reports, you'll be directed to a set of categorized tabs. To proceed with our task, head to the Standard Reports tab. This area lists various predefined reports which are ready-made and can save you a significant amount of time. Now that you're in the right place, it's time to find the specific report you need. QuickBooks simplifies this hunt by providing a search bar where you can filter through available reports. Type in Inventory Valuation into the search dropdown. This helps narrow down your options, quickly directing you to what you need without having to scroll endlessly through other reports that might not be relevant. You will then be presented with choices between Inventory Valuation Summary and Inventory Valuation Detail. The summary report gives you a consolidated overview, which can be ideal for a snapshot of your inventory's current worth. The detail report, on the other hand, provides a more granular view, breaking down item specifics. Choose the option that best fits the information you require. Upon selecting one of these reports, QuickBooks will begin to work its magic. The software will efficiently compile the data, analyze it, and generate the detailed output you need. Be patient as it loads your report. This process might take a moment, depending on your inventory size and system performance. Once the loading process is complete, the Inventory Valuation Report will appear on your screen. This report will offer valuable insights into the value of your inventory at the exact moment of running the report, helping you keep your business finances in check. And just like that, you've successfully run an inventory valuation report in QuickBooks. With this report in hand, you're now better equipped to assess your inventory's value. Remember, these tools are here to help streamline your business operations, making it easier for you to make informed financial decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Stay tuned for more QuickBooks tips and tricks.